English speaking practice. Listen and repeat.
Hello, my name is Emily, and I am 25 years old. I am from United States of America. I live in a small town, but it's a nice place to live. I work as a teacher. I love my job because I enjoy helping students learn new things. Every day, I go to work and teach different subjects. I teach English, math, and science. In the morning, I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I eat breakfast. I usually have toast with butter and a cup of coffee. At 8 a.m., I leave my house and drive to school. The school is only 10 minutes away, so I arrive early. My classes starts at 8 a.m. and finish at 3 p.m. After school, I prepare lessons for the next day or help students with their homeworks. I live with my family. My family is very important for me. My mother's name is Sarah, and she is very kind. She always helps me when I need advice. My father's name is John, and he is very funny. He makes jokes and makes everyone laugh. I also have one brother. His name is Michael, and he is 20 years old. He is studying at university. I have many friends. My best friend name is Anna. We have been friends since we were childhood. We like to spend time together. We go for shopping, watch movies, or have coffee at a cafe. Anna is very friendly and funny. She always makes me smile. I also have friends at work. We talk about our students and share ideas about teaching. I am a positive person. I always try to see the good in every situation. I believe that if you work hard, you can achieve anything. I am also a caring person. I like to help my students when they are struggling, and I try to make learning fun for them. In my free time, I like to read books. My favorite books are about history and adventure. I also enjoy going for walks in the park. It helps me relax after a busy day. Sometimes I listen to music or watch TV shows to unwind. At the weekends, I visit my grandparents. They live in the countryside, and I enjoy spending time with them. My grandmother cooks delicious meals. And my grandfather tells me interesting stories about his life. We usually have a big family dinner on Sunday. One day, I hope to start my own family. I want to have children and teach them everything I know. I think family is very important, and I want to give my children a good life. I am a responsible person. I always try to do my best at work and in my personal life. I think it's important to be organized. So I make plans for everything I do. I also like to keep my house clean and tidy. Sometimes I feel tired because teaching can be hard work, but I always find a way to stay motivated. I remind myself that I am helping students, and that's make me feel proud. On holiday, I like to travel. I have been to a few different states in the US, but I would love to visit Europe one day. I want to see famous places like Paris, London, and Rome. I think traveling is a great way to learn about other cultures. I am also interested in learning new languages. Right now, I'm studying Spanish. It is not easy, but I enjoy challenges. I believe that a new language can open many doors in life. In the future, I want to continue teaching. I love my job, and I hope to become a better teacher every day. I plan to take some extra courses to learn more about teaching method. I would like to travel to other countries to teach English to students from different cultures. I think it would be an exciting experience. I always try to be a good person, but I like everyone. I have my good and bad sides. One of my good behaviors is that I am always on time. I believe it's important to be punctual. Being late makes me feel stressed, so I make sure to leave my house early every day. My students depends on me, so I can't be late for my classes. I also try to be helpful. Whenever someone needs my help, I am always there. Whether it's a student who needs extra practice, a colleague who needs advice, or a friend who needs someone to talk to, I am ready to listen and assist. But I am not perfect. One of my bad habits is that something I get a little impatience. When things don't go as planned, I can feel frustrated. I also love reading. I can spend hours with a good books, especially if it's a mystery or an Adventure story. Reading helped me escape from everybody life and dive into new worlds.